sub-freeze warning in effect from midnight tonight to 9 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Saturday. What? Sub-freezing temperatures as low as 31 expected inland from Lake Erie. Where? Portions of north central, northeast, and northwest Ohio. When? From midnight tonight to 9 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Saturday. Impacts. Frost and freeze conditions could kill crops, other sensitive vegetation, and possibly damage unprotected outdoor plumbing. Additional details. Low temperatures will be in the mid to upper 30s closer to Lake Erie. Take steps now to protect tender plants from the cold.